ultimate baked 5-cheese macaroni.
God, let's see. Hey guys! Like always, we diving right into this one today, guys. But before we do, I know I always say we're diving in and then start talking to you guys. Sorry.
Totally.
Just a habit. Guys, thank you for hanging with us, right? Happy holidays to everybody, first and foremost. Y'all know what season it is?
It's Christmas! Christmas!
Love Christmas. I love Christmas. All right, guys, no more distractions. Right into this. So, for this delicious baked mac and cheese, we have all the ingredients right here for you guys.
Excuse me. 5 cheese.
For this 5 baked mac and cheese.
Ultimate 5 cheese.
For this ultimate
There you go.
5 baked mac and cheese.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I was waiting for that.
No, that was
okay.
it. No, you got it right.
All right, wonderful. All right, guys. So obviously we need 5 cheeses, right? So first we have some Velveeta cheese, a cup of that. We have a cup of some mild cheddar cheese. We have a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. We have a cup of Gouda cheese. We have 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. We have half a cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese. And we're gonna tell you what that's for later on, guys. And here we have evaporated milk. We have a cup of that. And I just wanted to show you which one we're using, all right?
All right.
So you don't have to get that brand. You can get any other brand of evaporating milk that you like, but that's what we're gonna use. We like it. We have some elbow macaronis, because how are you gonna make baked macaroni and cheese with no pasta, right? No elbow macaroni.
No elbows.
So we're gonna use a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of Old Bay, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. And guys, that's all you're gonna
Chefs and cheferettes, back with the next step. So what we did so far was we put our elbows to boil for about 7 minutes in a little salt and butter. Then we drained it out, ran cold water to stop it from cooking. And now we're on to the next step. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna put a little butter in an empty pan. Just to coat the bottom, because I'm gonna add the elbows in there and I don't want the elbows to burn. So I coated the bottom of the pan with a little oil. You guys following me?
We are following you.
I hope you guys liked the video.
We love the video.
I hope you guys commented. And then I hope you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on all post notifications. All right, guys, so I put the butter in there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my elbows back in the pot. Add my elbows right back in that same pot. There's butter in here so it doesn't burn. I am making a mess, don't mind me. All right, so I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna get all.
How much elbows is that?
This right here is about 4 cups of elbows.
Yummy.
All right, so I'm gonna stir everything a little bit just to get everything coated with butter. You guys following me?
Yes.
All right, now it's time to add our ingredients.
The big
All right, so
part.
I'm gonna add my Velveeta cheese in first. We told you the measurements, guys. It's about a cup. I'm gonna add my Velveeta cheese, and as I add my ingredients, I'm going to give everything a little stir. I don't want everything clumped up in one section or in the middle. So I'm gonna add ingredients. I'm gonna give it a little stir. That's our Velveeta. Guys, this is gonna be the ultimate 5 cheese mac and cheese.
I can't wait. You losing noodles.
I am making a mess. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to you and your family, guys. Next, what we're gonna add is our mild cheddar.
Can I have it? Never mind.
I'm sorry, you said something?
Nothing.
You were gonna say something?
No.
Okay, thought you were.
No.
Okay. You want me to sing?
No.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell sings. Now I'm gonna add our 1 cup of sharp. Guys.
I'm definitely zooming in right after you put that Gouda.
Just go a little higher.
I can't wait till this bakes. I'm hungry.
Guys, this is the Gouda. We're gonna add the cup of Gouda.
I really wanted to
Cup of Gouda. You want to take? Oh, look, I left.
Oh,
Dang it!
that's crazy. You are
Dang it! Make sure you get that Gouda.
Selfish.
Guys, make sure you get that Gouda. Guys, this thing is coming out good. If y'all could see this. Guys, I know you guys been making mac and cheese for ages. Try our recipe. You won't regret it. Ooh, let me get back over here if I burn it. Now we're gonna add our cream cheese, guys. Y'all count? Did y'all keep track of how much cheese we put?
4. This is the 5th one.
This is the 5th and last cheese. Let's get that cream cheese up in there.
Yes. And guys, make sure you stir that.
Come close. Come close.
I am. I thought you was gonna wait for the evaporate.
Nah, I want you to come see what it's looking like. You see that?
It's looking like heaven.
You see that cheese is melting. Just wait. All right. Breathe it on. Back up. Guys, so while this is melting, what I'm gonna do now is add the milk. We took all the seasonings we told you, our onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, Old Bay. Guys, if you don't have Old Bay, get you some Creole soul food seasoning. I think Tony Luke, did I say that right?
Yep, you said it right.
I think so.
That seasoning is really good.
So we added all our seasoning into the milk. And now we're just gonna pour it on. Get everything nice and covered. Oh, this is heaven. Oh, it smells so good.
Oh my goodness.
It smells so good. Guys, so I'm gonna stir this around, get all the cheese nice and melted, and then I'm gonna show you the next step.
Guys, so we finished mixing all that cheeses, all 5 cheeses in our elbow macaroni. We took it out, we set it aside. Now we're putting it in our baking dish. You watching?
We're watching.
Oh my God, first, oh my God, I have to show you guys this, look. Orgasmic.
Oh yeah. Look at that cheese. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas. Guys, and this is a non-sticking pan, so we don't have to add like pan spray or anything like that. It's not gonna stick.
Totally.
Trust me.
I believe you.
I'm cooking it all.
But if you want, they can spread butter if theirs isn't.
Absolutely, absolutely.
If theirs isn't non-stick, spread a little butter on your dish.
I could lift this pan. I'm not going to.
I dare you. I triple dog dare you. Lick the pan.
Please don't. Actually, please do. Thank you. Thank you. You have a very generous tongue.
Oh God.
So good. I lick the pan on the spoon.
It is good.
So good.
5 cheese.
And we're just gonna flatten this down a little bit like that. And you see that extra cheese we told you about?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what it's for. We're gonna layer it right on top. Oh my God, how amazing.
Oh yeah. Guys, we didn't use eggs, but I know a lot of you people like eggs. So if you want to use eggs, you can add an egg at this step, right, boo?
Yes, absolutely.
The egg will hold it together a little better, but it's optional. I know a lot of people don't like eggs in their mac and cheese. We didn't use egg in this recipe, but you can if you want.
Look how great that looks, guys. And we're going to put this in the oven on 350. So it's been 30 minutes. I'm about to take this bad boy out. And I'm going to show you what it's looking like. Y'all ready?
We're ready.
It smells amazing. Come close. The suspense is killing me. Look how amazing, guys. If that doesn't look damn good,
damn good.
so 30 minutes baking in the oven at 350, all right? Now I'm gonna put it back in the oven uncovered for another 15 minutes, all right, guys? And then that's it. I'm gonna show you